saying your value of today, and then pass it on to somebody else. Who'd like to start?
I will. A roller coaster. Reflection. You have to pass.
And just say who you want to pass it to.
I pass it to Nina.
Speechless. I'll pass it to Ellen.
I repeat, roller coaster. Thank you.
Remembering my ancestors while doing this piece.
Who are you going to pass it to, Zarina?
Pass it to Mary.
Welcoming. I received all the acts. Welcoming and learnt a lot.
Who you
and
pass?
I'm going to pass it to Yawande. Heartfelt. To Yawande? Heartfelt. Oh, thank you. Thank you. And I'll pass it to Ray.
Memories galore.
Or you pass it to Ria?
I'm passing it to... Oh, God, I can't see any more, man. Yvonne.
Woo! I'm passing it to Vanessa.
You're muted, Vanessa. Vanessa, do you have a phrase or a word that you want to check out with?
Intense. Sorry, somebody just rang me.
Intense. And who are you passing it to?
You.
Okay. I think Faye, can we hear from Faye? You need to unmute yourself, Faye. We can't hear you. You're still muted. If you can unmute yourself, Faye. We can't hear you. You need to unmute. No, we're still not hearing you, Faye. You have to unmute your microphone.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's so stubborn. Maybe take after me. Yes, food for thought here.
Okay, thank you. And Shani, I don't know what happened, but we lost a bit of you, and I hope that you're okay.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
We can. We're just doing a checkout.
Okay, what's happened, Tony, is that you sent me part of the thing and not all of it. So I'm on my phone trying to do it on the phone now. You only sent me a part of the number. Anyway, never mind. How is it going? I'm checking out. Is that what you want us to do?
Yeah, we're sort of saying things about today's session.
I loved today's session. The only thing is I'm a bit annoyed because I need to get all of the information so I can be a part of it. Because when I logged in at first, I logged in on yours. And I was getting more than I was getting everybody else. So I haven't got the right information. So when you're sending me the things, can you send me all of the information, the ID and password? Because all you sent me was the ID. I did not get the password. So this ID and password that I'm using, I don't know where it's from. It's an old one.
Okay. I will make sure that you get in proper.
Please.